Join me as I explore Dubai's incredible transformation into a luxury oasis for tourists in 2024. Can I experience all the top attractions in just one day? Dubai, a city that has rewritten the rules of luxury travel. This gem in the desert has mastered the art of combining opulence with innovation, making it a magnet for high-end travelers. In today's fast-paced travel landscape, Dubai stands out as a beacon of luxury, offering an unparalleled experience that's hard to resist. However, maintaining its status as a premier luxury destination is not without its challenges. One of the major hurdles Dubai faces is the rising competition from other luxury destinations around the world. As more cities and countries invest in their tourism infrastructure, Dubai needs to continuously reinvent itself to stay ahead of the curve. Another challenge is the threat of overcrowding, which can dilute the exclusive experience that luxury travelers crave. Dubai also needs to balance its growth with sustainability, ensuring that its luxury developments don't come at the expense of the environment. Furthermore, Dubai needs to cater to the evolving tastes and preferences of luxury travelers, who are increasingly looking for unique and authentic experiences. The city needs to move beyond the glamour of its opulent hotels and shopping malls and offer something more substantial. Additionally, Dubai needs to address the issue of affordability, as luxury travel is often associated with exclusivity and high prices, which can be a deterrent for many travelers. Despite these challenges, Dubai remains committed to providing an unparalleled luxury experience. The city is pushing the boundaries of innovation, from futuristic architecture to cutting-edge technology, to create an immersive experience that's hard to find anywhere else. In 2024, Dubai is set to take luxury travel to new heights. From extravagant hotels like the Burj Al Arab to fine dining experiences at some of the world's top restaurants, Dubai is a feast for the senses. But it's not just about indulgence. Dubai is also a hub for unique cultural experiences, from desert safaris to traditional Arabic hospitality. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Dubai has something to offer. One event that exemplifies Dubai's transformation into a luxury oasis is the Dubai Shopping Festival. This annual extravaganza is a celebration of luxury and extravagance, featuring exclusive offers, fashion shows, and live performances. It's an event that brings together the best of Dubai's luxury landscape, showcasing the city's ability to create an unforgettable experience. Imagine indulging in a personalized shopping experience, complete with champagne and canapés, or enjoying a fashion show featuring the latest designs from top international brands. The Dubai Shopping Festival is also a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself. Each year, the festival gets bigger and better, with new attractions and experiences added to the mix. It's an event that embodies the spirit of Dubai, a city that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In 2024, Dubai is poised to take its luxury offerings to new heights, offering an experience that's tailored to the individual needs and desires of each traveler. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Dubai has something to offer. So, what makes Dubai a must-visit destination for luxury travelers in 2024? It's the city's unwavering commitment to providing an unparalleled luxury experience, its ability to innovate and reinvent itself, and its focus on creating unique and authentic experiences that are hard to find anywhere else. What's your favorite luxury destination? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about travel trends, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be exploring the top emerging destinations for 2024. Thanks for watching.